If you're thinking about buying a home, one important thing to consider is your credit score. So your credit score is a number that lenders use to determine how likely it is that you're going to repay the loan that they're giving you. So a higher credit score can make it easier to get a mortgage and may result in lower interest rates, which can save you money on your monthly mortgage payments. Now, if you have a lower credit score, you might want to consider working on improving your credit before you apply for a mortgage. This process is called credit repair, and it involves taking steps to improve your credit score. Late payments can hurt your credit score, so it's important to pay all of your bills on time, every time. So another way to improve your credit score is to pay down any outstanding debt. High balances on credit cards or other loans can hurt your credit score, so try to pay those balances as much as possible. Finally, it's a good idea to check your credit report for errors. Sometimes credit reports can contain mistakes that hurt your credit score. By checking your credit report and disputing any errors you find, you can help you improve your credit score with very little effort. Overall, credit repair is an important step in the process of buying a home. By working on improving your credit score, you can make it easier to get a mortgage and save money on your monthly payments.